How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly activate your SSL certificate on Namecheap. And the reason you may want to do this is to add that added layer of security for your website or domain. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that if you guys are interested in using Namecheap as a domain or hosting site, be sure to click our link down in the description below to get some cool discounts on hosting as well as domains. And by doing so, you'll be greatly supporting the channel. Thank you. Now back to the video. So to activate the SSL certificate on your website or domain, you first need a CSR code. And this one is easily obtainable through the built-in control panel or web engine that your website is using. So in this case, I believe Namecheap uses control cPanel, or if you have it as an integration for WordPress, then you would use EasyWP, and so on and so forth. So to actually get the CSR code, it's quite simple. You guys would just have to head on over to the control panel of your hosting site. Make sure that you're logged in as an admin. And once you navigate through the dashboard, there should be a button there that would generate a CSR code for you. So certificate signing request. So it even reads, you can generate a CSR code yourself. If you manage the hosting server on your own, or if this is the best option for your server or hosting plan, then you would just have to visit the web server from the list down below and follow the on-screen instructions. So cPanel, for example, it should be shown here, as you can see. Now, once you have that code going for you, you want to copy, or rather, you want to make a copy of it because we're going to use that later on when we're trying to activate our SSL certificate. So to activate it is quite simple. Step 1 is to log into your Namecheap account, and then you want to start the activation by hovering your mouse over your account username on the upper left corner of the screen. So this would take you to your profile icon. So once you guys are here, you want to click on dashboard, and it should take you to this new tab here. And under dashboard, you have expiring or the lifespan of your hosting plan, your domain list, hosting list, and right below private email, you'll find SSL certificates. So when you click on this, it should take you to this page here where you get to activate the SSL certificate. So you just want to select it, and on the right side, you'll see that there's a button that says activate. And here's where you will paste the CSR code that we extracted from the control panel earlier. So you want to paste it here, click on next, then you want to add a CNAME record. And this is just to confirm your domain ownership from Namecheap. And once you have that going, simply follow the on-screen instructions, fill up the boxes, click on next, review and submit. And you want to wait for the hosting site to actually approve your request to activate your SSL certificate. Now, this process usually takes a day at most, but once that's over, you guys should be set. So yeah, there you guys have it. Congratulations, you've successfully activated your SSL certificate on Namecheap. So before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that if you're interested in using Namecheap as a hosting and domain site, be sure to click our link down in the description below to get access to some cool discounts on hosting as well as domains. And by doing so, you'll be greatly supporting the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.